Friends, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can import your contacts from Google to iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments at the end of this video, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. And let's get into this topic. First of all, open up your phone settings. Next, scroll down a little bit. Go to the Contacts section. Here, select Accounts and add an account. Next, select Google. After that, a page will load on your web browser. Next, you will need to enter your address or your phone number. Once you've entered your Google email, then click here. And the next thing you need to do is enter your Google account email. And also click Next. If you have two-factor authentication set on your phone, then you will need to go through it. Once you've added your email and entered your password, you'll go back to your contact accounts. And here you'll need to go to the Gmail section. And you will just have to make sure that you have synchronization enabled against the word contacts. So all the contacts from Google will be imported to your iPhone. Friends, this is the way you can easily import contacts from Google to iPhone. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful to you, friends. Please write your comments, give your likes, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.